miscellaneous exercise chapter 5. In this 14th question see here, it is very important examination point of view, different answer. X into under root of 1 plus y plus y into under root of 1 plus x is equals to 0, and asking me to find out dy by dx is equals to minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. Actually, whenever you need to find out the dy by dx, y should be separate, you need to have. Y you need to have the separate. But why you are having under root 1 you are having, outside the root 1 you are having. So you need to make y is equals to, if you are finding dy by dx, you can find it. If you find y is equals to what? Dy by dx you can find it, isn't it? So what you have to do here, you need to find out the y. How do you find out the y? First thing is, first step. Because then after y should be expressed in terms of the x. Y should be expressed in terms of the x. So further what you write here, take this one to the right hand side. Is equals to minus y into under root of 1 plus x होगा. Squaring on both sides का. Okay. Squaring on both sides. So x square into 1 plus y is equals to y square into 1 plus x. Now all the y should be taken together. So first you multiply this one, x square plus x square y square plus y square x. What do you get here from this? X square plus x square y square plus. Now let us do one thing here. Transfer that, yes. All the terms, these two terms take one side. X square minus y square is equals to y square x minus x square y. From this, x square minus y square can be written as x plus y into x minus 1. X plus y into x minus 1. From this, you can take the xy common. Xy common less x. Then after what you get here, y minus x. Okay, here x minus y you are having. Here y minus x you are having. So you minus common you have x plus y into x minus y is equals to minus xy into x minus y. Okay, so now cancel this term with this. Okay, then y you are going to get it from this. How do you get the y value? You are going to get it as x plus y is equals to minus x1. All the y terms together and x terms together. This y you take to the right hand side. Or you do one thing. This one take to this side and x to that side. So what do you get here? xy plus y is equals to minus x. Y common layer. 1 plus x is equals to minus x. So y is equals to minus x by 1 plus x. The y are there, and now we need to find out the dy by dx. This dy by dx, how do you find out? U by v method. Okay, quotient rule you have to use. What is the quotient rule here? d by y. Yes, I think you can do it. Quotient rule is nothing but u by v. So what is u? First denominator, derivation of the numerator. d by dx of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator by denominator square. Okay, first denominator, next derivative of the numerator minus numerator and derivative of the denominator. ये बात याद रखो. नीचे वाला पहला है, इसमें थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना. Most of you will get confused this one. Okay, so 1 plus x into minus 1 plus x into ये minus multiply कर दिया. Differentiation of this one is 0 plus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. This question is repeated question previously. थोड़ा सा ध्यान में रखना. Because it was asked previously. Because different है. इसमें देखो डायरेक्टली सॉल्व करने वाला नहीं, y को निकालना पड़ेगा. So there's something different problem. So minus 1 minus x plus x by 1 plus x whole square. The x will get cancelled. Minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. This is what I am asking you to prove. Okay. Next. Apart from this, next question also, 15th question also given to you. X minus a whole square plus लिखना है. x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equals to c square is given and asking you to prove that 1 plus dy by dx whole square by whole to the power of 3 by 2 by d square y by dx square. double derivative करना है. प्रॉब्लम इट इज लेंथी है बट नॉट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. दिखने में तो लेंथ दिखता है, इट इज नॉट मोर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. See, try to do the problem without saying after the class also, so that you will able to understand it. Okay, you get practice also. What is the question given here in 51? X minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equals to c square. X minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equals to c square. So first one we need to find out. It is asking you to prove that 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2 by b square by dx square is a constant independent of a and b is asking you to prove. This is a constant. So for that you need to find out dy by dx. First find out dy by dx. So dy by dx find out करने के लिए what can you do here? Normally differentiation, because y is separately you are having. So differentiation of this one 2 into x minus a d by dx of x minus a plus 2 into y minus b dy by dx. Actually d by dx of y minus b, which is equals to d by dx of c square. Here c is a constant. C is a constant and y is a term in terms of the x you are having. So that's why y you are taking into consideration. So here d by dx of x minus a you are going to get it as a 1. 1 you are going to. So 2 into x minus a into 1 plus 2 into y minus b into d by dx is equals to 0. Because differentiate with respect to x. Y whenever you are finding, y whenever you are differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx happens. Y is not a constant here. Y is not a constant. This is a both variables you are having here. So dy by dx you need to find. So what dy by dx means? A right side will be the one. So dy by dx is equals to minus 2 of x minus a by 2 of y minus b. So ये दोनों cancel हो जाए. What do you get here? dy by dx is equals to minus of x minus a by y minus b. Now d square by dx square. So इसको differentiate करना है with respect to x one second time. So this one y minus b denominator into d by dx of minus of x minus a minus numerator, that is minus of x minus a into d by dx of y minus b divided by y minus b whole square. ये इधर थोड़ा सा आप ध्यान में रखना. d square y by dx square is whenever you are d square y by dx square is equals to. What do you get here? Differentiation of this one is nothing but minus 1. So minus of y minus b. ये plus होगा plus x minus a. d by dx of y minus b. d by dx. This is d by dx by y minus b whole square. d by dx is equals to what? Then you substitute here. Minus x minus a by y minus b. Minus x minus a by y minus b substitute. वैसे substitute करना. So what do you get here? D square y by dx square is equals to minus of y minus b plus x minus a into dy by dx is equals to minus of x minus a by x minus b by y minus b, y minus b whole square. So here which is equals to, simplifying, minus of y minus b whole square minus of x minus a whole square by y minus b cube whole square. So this is d square y by dx square. This side may go. Now 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2. 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2. By d square by dx square लेना है तो ले सकते हैं. Separate, हाँ? Right hand side. What? Right hand side. ना ये इसका value find होता है. पूरा, not right hand side. LHS RHS. That is equals to constant you need to prove. You need to prove that it is a constant. So which is equals to what you get here? 1 plus dy by dx is nothing but minus of x minus a by y minus b whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2, which is equals to y minus b whole square plus x minus a whole square by y minus b whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2. 3 by 2 whenever you are multiplying, here in the numerator you are going to get y minus b whole square plus x minus a whole square. This is y minus b whole square and x minus a whole square is equals to what? C square. C square है ना? तो इधर भी you are going to get it as a minus common you are taking x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square by y minus b whole cube you are going to get it. This is what we have to minus c square by y minus b whole cube. This is denominator. Numerator separately. This is what you get here, c square by y minus b whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2. So whole to the power of 3 by 2 whenever you are taking c cube by 2. Now this one divided by this one is asking you to prove. So that is nothing but 1 plus d by dx whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2 by d square by dx square is equal to this one is what? C cube by y minus b whole cube by this one is minus c square by y minus b whole cube. ये दोनों cancel होगा. Minus c you are going to get, which is independent of x and y. That is only asking you to prove now. It is independent of a and b. Sorry, the question is asking it is a constant and independent of a and b. So it is not dependent on a and b. Independent of a में dependent नहीं है. Question में क्या पूछ रहे? Even it is not dependent on x and y also. Variables x and y.